June 11, 2026. If anyone is still driving a 1993 Ford Tempo and you need to change the bearing on your Serpentine belt tensioner because it's rattling, place a 1/2-inch ratchet in that hole, lean back, and that allows you to release the belt. Then you take a 1/2-inch ratchet, 1/2-inch socket, and you take this bolt out. I had myself. And then at that point, once that bolt's out, the belt's off, comes out right in your hand. And that hole there, that's number 47 Torx. This bearing is less than 20 bucks. This bearing and wheel combination less than $20 on Parts Geek or Rock Auto. I made a mistake and bought the whole darn arm for 80 bucks because I couldn't figure out how to get that thing loose. And it goes back on. The 2 pegs in the hole, the bolt, crank back on there, put the belt on, and you're done.